Hello students, today is our class 3 of SQL. So today we learn order by clause. It is used to display record in ascending or descending order. So if you want to arrange record in either in ascending record or descending record, so we can use order by clause. So to arrange record in ascending order, we use following command. Select star from detail order by name ASC. ASC stands for ascending. So this command will display all record in ascending order according to the name. So let's we do example. Select star from detail order by name and ASC. So all record will arrange in ascending format according to alphabet. If we do not write any clause order by name and we do not specify ascending or descending order, then it will default arrange record in ascending order. So all record arrange in particular ascending order. So if you want to arrange record according to salary, so we use following command. Select star from detail order by salary ASC. So it will arrange all record in ascending order according to the salary. So if you want to arrange in descending order, then we use following command. Select star from detail order by name DESC. So DESC stands for descending order. After this, all record will arrange in descending order according to name. So let's do example. Select star from detail order by name DESC. So all record will arrange in descending order according to the name. Multi-level sort. So we can also sort data according multiple fields. If you want to arrange record according to multiple fields, then we can do like we use select star from detail order by city, then we use comma and name. So it will first arrange all record in ascending order according to city, then it will arrange according to the name. Let's do example. So first of all, I write select star from detail order by name order by city. First we will arrange all record in according to city in ascending order, then name. So first all record arrange in ascending order, afterwards according to name all record arrange in ascending order. So that's we can do multi-level sorting by using comma sign and give the field name. Our next command is group function. It is also called aggregate function. They are following. First is sum. Sum, it is used to find sum of numeric field. So how we can we do? Select star from select sum comma salary from detail. So it will find salary of sum of detail field, detail table. So salary is sum of salary is 51,700. So second function is in group function AVG. It is used to find average of numeric field. So it will use to find average of numeric field. So I write here sum of salary from detail. So it is used to find salary, average of salary. Third is max. it is used to find maximum value of numeric field. So how we can find maximum value? Select max max salary from detail. So maximum salary is 8,000. Same way we can find minimum salary, which is our fourth function. Select min salary from detail. So minimum salary is 4,000. And in aggregate function we use count. So it is used to find number of rows of any field or numeric field. So how we can do? I write here, select count count from detail. So it will find how many records in a table. So there are 9 records in a table. So next is group by clause. It is used to find records according group. It must be used with group by function. So whenever we want to arrange record according any group, that time we will use group by clause. For group by clause, it is very necessary that it must be used with group by function. Like I write command, select city, comma, sum of salary from detail, group by city. So it will arrange all record according to the city and find their salary of sum of salary. So like Delhi 8,000, Ajmer 50,500. Same way Jaipur 12,000 and Byawar 16,200. So it will display sum of salary of city wise by the help of group by clause. Same way, if you want to know how many people in a particular city, so we can use select city sum, I use count, salary from detail, group by city. So it is displaying Delhi we have 1 people, Ajmer we have 3 records, Jaipur we have 2 records and Byawar we have 3 records. So for the group by clause, it must be necessary that a query have any group by function. So group by function is very necessary for group by clause. So now next command is having clause. Having clause is, it is used to filter records from a group by clause. So if you want to filter records of group by query output, then we will use having clause. Like I write select city, comma, sum of salary from detail, city. So this command will produce group by answer. Now we want that we will print only those records whose sum of salary above 15,000. That time we will use having clause. Like I write here group by city, having sum of salary is greater than 15,000. So it will display all records whose city's sum of salary is greater than 15,000. So there are 2 records. So today we learned first order by, which is used to arrange all record in ascending or descending. For ascending we use ASC, and we are not using ASC by default. It will arrange all record in ascending order. For descending we use DESC keyword. If you want to multi-level sort, then we use comma and give the field name. Then we learn group by function. It is also called aggregate function. They are following. First is sum, which is used to find sum of numeric field. Second is average, which is used to find average of numeric field. Third is max, which is used to find maximum value of a numeric field. Same way we can find minimum value of a numeric field by the help of min function. And count, it is used to find number of rows in a table. Then we learned group by clause. It is used to arrange all record according group. So it must be used with group by function. Then we use having function. It is used to filter record from a group by clause. So if you want to filter records by the output of group by query, we use having. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.